If you're looking for planter pots, sculpture pots, KOL, stale planters, and pots, they're a holder not just for planter sculptures. You could put umbrellas, canes, and more in them. Model number G912A02. We have 24 inches and 28 inches. You have a depth of about 12 inches on one and about 15 inches on the other. You got lids that fit inside. So this way, when you put in your sculpture, your plant, they don't sit at the very bottom. They hang, they suspend by chains. And this is what one of the lids looks like with the chains. This is the container. You simply take the chain, hook it on to the sides, and allow it to drop in. If you wanted to make a two-tier unit, you could do so with a little design like so. I'll show you again by simply taking the cover, sliding in, placing the hooks on the outer edge. And if you want to adjust the hooks, you're going to have to unravel like so. And then you're able to take this and bring it up at a higher level. We're going to unbox, show you what it looks like. It is nicely packaged and protected by foam all around. Find your favorite decoration. You can place in material, fill in the base with styrofoam so this way it could stay up nice and straight. Black, bronze, silver. You have your corner display when you walk into your entryway. Your containers, right? Put them anywhere. And nice storage for your umbrella, your broom. You have here that you got one that you turn upside down and put a dog on. You have one that's already set up that you simply take off of your old structure and you can place inside to show your plant. Covers the pot perfectly. And show you how simple it is to do that by taking the hooks, lining them again to the edge of the bin, drop the tray in, and then take your other plant and place in. You have many different types of designs, and these are not just for indoor, they're also for outdoor. So if you're just looking for something to decorate your house, your landscape, the front of the house, the back of the house, living room, dining room, anywhere imaginable, these products may be something that you are after. Put your favorite plants in, has enough weight to hold the unit, and decorate anywhere outdoors. These are weather resistant with no drain holes on the bottom. So you have your structures that simply fit in to the base and covers up and makes an excellent decoration to your potting plants, artificial flowers, and more. Use your imagination. Low light situations, you could put anything imaginable. Adjust your chain accordingly so you can hang different things in your structure and dress up your garden. If you're looking for planter pots, sculpture pots, canes, umbrellas, and more in different types of colors, check online again for further detail, and hope you enjoy your product if this is something you are after. Thank you for viewing.